how to use Threads for business. So for that, you need to open up an account on Threads and just get started with the new account. And after that, you will be able to connect your Instagram with Threads. And since it is a new app from Instagram, the usual tendency of these social media apps is that they promote the early adopters of their app. So it's a good way to get promoted on this app. All you have to do is just go on your profile and add links on your profile, and you can also click on create a thread. After that, you can promote your business over here. You can also click on attachments in order to attach any photo, video of your promotional material. And after that, you can simply promote it over on Threads. And there's one more way, and it is to just go on your home page and comment on people's post and engage with them. This way you would get more reach on your profile. And what I have observed for now is that the amount of followers might be less on Threads, but the engagement rate is quite high. So you can fully capitalize on this and promote your business, since it is the early days of Threads, and the intermixing of Threads and Instagram is also quite good. You can quite easily go on Instagram by just clicking on this option of Instagram on the top right hand side corner. And also all the people that are currently following you on Instagram, as soon as they create their account on Threads, they will be able to know that you are also on Threads, and they will be able to follow you. And it's always better to stay in the trends in order to promote ourselves on social media. And since social media is the primary way for people to grasp the knowledge these days, that's why it's better to hop on this trend journey. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.